Welcome to KTC Factory. I am Rani Subramanian here. Once again, welcome to KTC. Today also I brought for you the exclusive varieties from silk segments. If I talk about these silk varieties, KTC Factory is giving you at manufacturing cost with a beautiful designer catalog you can see over here. Every catalog KTC is giving you the particular fancy, the code of the pattern and the beautiful catalog with the color chart. Every color chart you will find out the color options you can give to the small mini events for the family functions as well as many more occasions. So let's watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you the color charts of these collections. Retailers, if you're into a silk business, so hurry up retailers for the silk varieties to update and make your customers happy. These varieties you can buy at factory cost. So there's a bell icon over there. Please subscribe the channel for the regular product updates where you can do online shopping. We do provide you COD available for the domestic as well as the international. We do provide safe and secure transport and shipping services. So as I said, the first catalog, such a beautiful catalog. If I talk about the KTC, which is a brand, whenever you're purchasing the collections, you have to find out, you have to buy with the stable manufacturers, the color options and the designs where you're giving. And this is a pattern called Aarti Sagar Cotton Collections, which is a new unique varieties. Here are the color chart of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. So pretty and elegant, which is, and you're finding out the index page of the Kesaria brand. Every catalog you will find the index page, and here is the brand. This is the brand which is giving you the services. The same sarees, you can see a model photocopy. This is the magenta color, and the box packing also you can see over here, the dark maroon color with the half white. And if I talk about the next color, which is a cherry red color, and this is the half white combination. If I talk about the royal blue color with the silver jerry finishing, so pretty, and I can suggest that every woman likes to wear a uniforming. Sisters, in-laws, we can give us over the mini events as well as the functions. Here is the purple color combination with the half white color and the navy blue, which is very classy color. And here is a beautiful photocopy. I'm showing you the photocopy how the saree looks, and every saree and the beautiful, the traditional color of the Rama color, which is a Rama green. Coming to the next saree, which is highlighted in the trending in the market, which is a digital silk saree. If I talk about the digital silk saree, I'm just going to show you how beautiful the box has been designed. The floral painted, the designer of the golden, pastel golden color, and this is a box the Kesaria is giving you. And if you're having a really silk showroom, you can have these colors at the mannequin, you can display, you can show your customers, you can have your social media page of your brand, and you can highlight every day every color chart. So this is the color of the golden yellow color with a dark red color combination, and this is the beautiful contrast color of the stones which has been placed, and the Kesaria tag you're finding out. Every catalog and every products you will find out the brand logo. And this sarees, if I talk about the code, is called Fancy Roji Silk. If you're talking to our sales team, by this code you can easily place an order. That's why every product video I'm telling to your code and the code number and the pattern of the saree. Coming to the next pattern, which is a blue or Rama green, I can say, and the same saree, and the mostly demanded nowadays, the digital silk sarees are mostly handwork patterns, and Surat is the manufacturers where the digital silk sarees and every varieties of silk is getting manufactured. If I talk about the weather of Surat and comparing to South, the manufacturers per day over there 10 to 15 sarees they get ready. But according to Surat weather, 50 to at least per day 50 sarees are getting manufactured. And the pure traditional, the South combination of the contrast color of the parrot green with the yellow color combination and the piping mini border and the fancy tassels has been placed. And again here you can find out the logo and with the code. Coming to the next color, I can see this is light lavender color or the purple color combination with the matte look finishing of the golden pattern, and every saree you will find out a beautiful boxes and the color chart. And coming last Last but not least, the magenta color, which is a dark contrast colors. Some people like colors of pastel colors, some people like dark colors, some people like dark colors. Everyone is having a color chart. The KTC is giving you all skin tone varieties of the color chart where you can buy every segment of the colors. It's not mean that you're not getting the trend, how it's getting updated in the market. The manufacturers also is getting and developing the every multi-designer varieties. If you talk about one varieties, 40 to 50 designs are keep getting ready. Coming to pastel colors, there are few lovers, saree lovers who like only look to wear classy colors. If I talk about these classy colors, beautiful color chart, and this is a pastel color over here. For this also I can show you the color pattern, which is a new candy silk. This is a beautiful color chart of this. In this also you'll find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. There's a peach color, there's a cookies color, there's a grey color, there's a light green. Every color you will find out. Here are the boxes. The boxes also you can see here the matte golden brown, and here the beautiful designer of the box. Such varieties every day you can display at your shop, at your showroom. And the retailers, it's not mean that you should have your shop. You have a e-commerce platform where you can update in your online business. And here is a one more option. There's a one more pastel color of the classy look. There's a matte look finishing of the jerry borders which I have done. Rich contrast pallus has been given. These sarees, until we wear, it never shows, it never gives how it looks. And coming to the light peach color combination, and coming to next color, which is baby pink color combination, which is the ash blue color with the fancy, with the sky blue colors of the tassels has been highlighted in the ash blue color. So every boxes you will find out these collections are, and we do a photocopy with a model. So every saree you will find out such a single sarees also the model photo shoots has been getting done. The KTC is giving you such varieties which only start from 500 rupees. As a customer, when we go for shopping, these collections at least we pay 10,000, 15,000, right? So you know, please let me know in the comment box that how are these collections you may bought for your functions, for family togethers. And these varieties are traditional pure Kanjivaram pattern varieties. And retailers, if you're looking for unique varieties to make your customers happy, please update your business, find out the stable manufacturers, try to take some time, and please visit Surat Textile. And Surat is the biggest textile hub where you can find out n number of manufacturers, but you have to buy, and with the stable manufacturers with the benefits. There's a no language barrier, there's a color options, there is a segments, there is a varieties, color chart, photocopies, and WhatsApp communication, and the online team and the sales team. Even you visit offline, even you're going for online shopping. And what about the COD? Yes, we are providing you COD also. We do provide the domestic and as well as all the countries transport shipping services. So come on, I can only say hurry up, visit once KTC factory, which is located at Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, Ring Road, morning 9:30 to 6:30. If you couldn't visit, go ahead for online shopping. 24/7 we do have a sales executives. So please let me know how these collections of exclusive silk varieties. Go ahead for online shopping. Please let me know and subscribe the channel. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video I'll come up with more new exclusive unique varieties. Till then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.